Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and also, look at the walls. Well, not the walls, but the ceiling. See a difference? Than my old one, yeah. I put down there. Oh, I almost forgot. I forgot to show you the back here as well. And I got the bedroom here. Can't wait to show you, the upstairs. Get there. Yep. Did it again, I jumped. I'm bad with that. And look at that, see? Got my fish tanks. I might have... No, I think they're good. I don't know. Okay. Also, I put a latch here so you can shut the doors like that. See? See the difference of walls? I put a chair there and a table. And, upstairs. Oops. And put some more fish tanks. So look at that. See a difference? This is my favorite room, up here. Whoops. Look how beautiful this room is. I love this room. It's got that big window and you can see out. You know, I'm thinking in this room, I'm thinking to put like chairs and a table here. Yeah, I think that'd be really, really cool to do that. Also, this is the, well, maybe it'll be like a library. Still have to finish, this up here, because it's not finished yet. But, yeah, it's my library room. And here, I'm not gonna make a room, I'm just gonna make the rooftop. That's all I want up here. So that's why I took some of that. So I got some more work to do, and then this will be done. So I don't know when I'm gonna finish it, but, yeah. But, yeah, I'm getting things done, and I gotta cut some more trees. I gotta get some more, rocks, I gotta get all that, and I have to do more work on it, and then after that, it will be done. So, and, yeah, you can see the view outside here. So, yeah. I still have to do more work on it, but it'll be done eventually, you know, so. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and, see you later, bye.